President of IMA Solapur and Organizing Chairman, Dr. Harish Raisur, Co-Chairman, Dr. Milind Shah, Organizing Secretary and Secretary of IMA Solapur, Dr. Sachin Mule, Organizing Secretary, Dr. Vaishali Shirshetty, Treasurer, Dr. Guddu Babladi, our State Leader, Dr. Jyoti Chidgupkar, and all the members of IMA Solapur, and of course, all my uh, co-office bearers and my supporters in IMA Maharashtra State, Dr. Ramakrishna Londe, President-elect, Dr. Hozi Kapadia, immediate past President, Dr. Pankaj Bandarkar, my Honorary State Secretary, Dr. Dhiren Kalavadia, our Honorary Treasurer, all the Vice Presidents, all the Joint Secretaries, all the other office bearers, Chairman of Wings and Schemes of IMA Maharashtra State. Right now, Dr. Mangesh Pate, the Chairman of HBI IMA Maharashtra, is here. And of course, all the past presidents of IMA Maharashtra State, and of course, the national leaders, Dr. Ashok Adhav, Dr. Ravi Wankhedkar, all the other past presidents, and our MMC chairman, Dr. Shivkumar Utture, and of course, all the leaders of IMA Maharashtra State. I'm really happy to inaugurate this MasterCon 2020. Thank you. I won't say, Dr. Harish, I won't say that it gives me immense pleasure. Right now, as all we doctors are mature people, daily we play with life and death. So getting tears in your eyes is very rare thing. But right now, there are tears in my eyes. As you say in Marathi, eka doळ्यात हसू आणि eka डोळ्यात आसू. The sorrow because all this year we lost 62 of our doctors, many of our IMA members, while fighting with this COVID-19 pandemic. It's really a saddening thing. But at the same time, we are very proud that every member of IMA Maharashtra State, all those 45,000 odd numbers, they have fought against this deadly disease, against this pandemic, and they set the example of their commitment to the society and commitment to the humanity. On one side, I really feel very, very much sorrow because in the beginning of year, we had planned lot of academic conferences, lot of activities throughout the year, but we could not do it. Again, the villain was this COVID pandemic. We couldn't meet each other at the same time. But on the other side, in spite of all this, we continued a large number of webinars, large number of gatherings on digital platform. There were webinars at every branch. There were a lot of webinars. I just cannot count right now at state level. Of course, there were many webinars we organized at the national level, and while well, we have organized few international level webinars. And that was really one achievement. I feel very happy and proud about it. When we planned this MasterCon, I'm really rather apologize all these grassroots workers and fighters of IMA Solapur that you had planned this MasterCon 2020 in a very beautiful way. The program, the academic program, we had planned on digital platform, which was really a nice one. Rarely we see such type of speakers, such array of speakers in which this academic feast is given. Well, so many names. It will take another 10 minutes to name all those people and talk about all those speakers of not only national but the international repute. It was really a saddening thing that because of the unseen, unforeseen events and all these things beyond our control, we had to postpone our physical meetings of IMA State Executive and, of course, the IMA Maharashtra State Council meeting, the inauguration ceremony, which would have been a very large one with all those faces uh, in front of us. And, of course, the most coveted thing of the year, the installation of new president, Dr. Ramkrishna Londe. I apologize personally because, of course, this is not my fault, is not your fault. It is not. This is what all called as a destiny. Man proposes and God disposes, is said. But in this year, every day, our members have gone through these feelings. But still, we are fighters. We are born fighters, and we have proved that we come above all these adverse situations. IMA Solapur has proved that in spite of all this, they have agreed to do all these things as decided. Rather, we took the opportunity to postpone all these things on after some time, and of course, this digital platform Mastercon 2020. I again congratulate the host branch, Dr. Harish Raisur and his team, that the number, there are 2,200 delegates in this Mastercon 2020. I think they deserve a loud applause. So everywhere, this is an achievement. This is an achievement that many of our state conferences, though they were held on digital platform, on web, they proved to be very uh, crowd pullers. It means that all those doctors in IMA Maharashtra State, all our members, they definitely look forward for all these things. To provide this academic information is one of our objectives. But as you all know, that unfortunately, a few days back, on the 20th November 2020, uh, there's a Central Council of Indian Medicine. They published one gazetted notification in which, unfortunately, the 18 surgical procedures which are domain of the modern medicine, the council allowed to use it for the Ayurvedic graduates, all those Ayurvedic Vaidyas, they were allowed to do all these 18 surgical procedures. And it's a big thing. Indian Medical Association on national level has protested it. I would like to let you know that there will be an CWC meeting tomorrow at 10 to 1 on digital platform. All the CWC members of IMA Maharashtra State are supposed to attend it. But immediately after that, the national leaders are going to uh, rather come out with some program, some actions to be taken. And immediately after that, at 3:30 tomorrow, we'll be having a meeting, a digital platform meeting at 3:30 in the afternoon. So I invite all the presidents of IMA local branches, all their office bearers, all our state office bearers, CWC members, all the committee members, all the national and state leaders to attend it. Because this is one fight we are going to do, and we are rather we will be doing something really great. As you all know, I am a Maharashtra state is one of not one of the is the largest state branch of Indian Medical Association in all over India, if you consider the at national level. And we have to prove that we do something which will turn the history of medicine or history of all these things at national level. And for this, I appeal to you all that please attend and follow whatever the program we are going to announce tomorrow afternoon. It's a very one major step. And in that meeting, our national leaders will definitely, our national leaders from IMA Maharashtra, they will rather instruct, give all the information, and we are going to follow them, all these instructions, all these fights, whatever the action we are going to take. Remember, that is a question of life and death, or you can say ispar ya uspar. So with this, I again congratulate IMA Solapur branch for conducting this marvelous, and we'll always remember because for the first time we have conducted this MasterCon, which is the 60th MasterCon, 60th annual meeting of IMA Maharashtra State. But for the first time, it is held on digital platform, and the first time we have seen such a large crowd, the 2,200. My heart is really, I'm really impressed. And this is the moment which I will cherish throughout my life. So thank you very much. Yeah, it's a very good news, Doc. Just now, now the organizing, the treasurer has announced that we have crossed the figure of 3,000. It's a sixer. Yeah. A sixer by Sachin Tendulkar will look very small in front of your work. Yeah. So with this, I really congratulate you. I really give all the best for all the delegates of IMA Maharashtra State. And of course, I give good wishes to my successor, Dr. Ramkrishna Londe, and of course his team of office bearers will soon rather install, will have this installation program. And I pray God that may our IMA will work as we have worked. And remember, we are all the grassroots workers of IMA. IMA is not only an association, it's a movement. It's a movement. And we have to stick to it. We have to work for it. And it's a fraternity call that I will say that we are all together and will fight against all the odds. Maybe it because of the nature, because of the God's will, maybe because of it's a government's rules and regulation. Maybe it's against the society who is rather creating the violence in our hospitals and doctors. And of course, all those political leaders, all those so-called social leaders who always say, they just ignore the fact that what doctors are giving, what doctors have sacrificed, but they are saying that the doctors are looting people. So we have to fight at every level. So I will say, राजा झोपू नकोस, रात्र वैरायची आहे, जागा राहा. Thank you very much.